Jai Srimannarayana. 13th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Adveshta Sarvabhutanam Maitraha Karunayevacha Nirmamo निरहंकारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी ओम. You can become more dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma by inculcating these qualities. Number 1, do not carry any hatredness towards any entity in this entire universe at any given time. Do not carry any ill will towards any entity in this entire universe at any given time. Be compassionate. Be like a kind friend to all the entities. Do not carry any false ego. Maintain stability throughout all the situations in your life. Be tolerant. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, saying this, O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall become more dear to you by inculcating these qualities. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall not carry any hatredness, any ill will towards any entity in this entire universe at any given time. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall behave like a kind friend to all the entities. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall not carry any false ego. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall maintain the balance in my mind throughout all the situations in my life. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall be tolerant. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukhamukhadamrutadravasanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ ವ್ಯಾಸ ಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Prahlada's story, Sri Nrsimha Swami's Avirbhavam to Dharmaraju, saying that, O Dharmaja, when Chaturmukha Brahma asked, Prahlada went to close to Sri Narasimha Swami and did Namaskaram, Sashtanga Namaskaram. Then Swapadamule patitam tam arbhakam vilokya devaha krupaya pariplutaha. Immediately Sri Narasimha Swami, with so much of compassion, he lifted such a boy who was falling on his feet. He lifted him, and Narasimha Swami kept his divine hand on the head of Prahlada. And then with that touch of the divine hand of Sri Narasimha Swami, Saha tat karasparshaduta akhila asubhaha sapadi abhivyakta para atma darshanaha. Instantly, all kind of inauspiciousness, everything is gone away, disappeared from Prahlada by the touch of Sri Narasimha Swami's divine hand. And immediately, instantly, the Atma Swarupam, Bhagavat Swarupam became very clear to Prahlada with the touch of the divine hand of Sri Narasimha Swami. Prahlada is dwelling in so much of unlimited joy because Sri Narasimha Swami's divine feet is constantly there in his mind. Prahlada's heart is completely filled up with love and devotion towards Paramatma. Prahlada's eyes are filled up with joyful tears. Then with complete undivided manas, complete undivided shraddha, complete undivided attention, Prahlada started praying Sri Narasimha Swami like this: Hey Bhagavan Narasimha, I born in this Rakshasa Jati. I am not eligible to even pray you. Even Brahma and other devatas cannot praise you totally, completely. Hey Bhagavan, I realize that wealth, beauty, tapas, scholarliness, intellectual ability, none of these are helps anyone to get your anugraham. None of these can please you. But only bhakti can please you. There used to be one animal, his name is Gajendra. Only with the great amount of bhakti he could please you. Hey Bhagavan, usually Brahmana is supposed to be having 12 divine attributes: Dharmam, Satyam, and control upon senses, and Pandityam, the scholarliness, and having no bad thoughts towards others, and feeling ashamed if any bad thing does by them. bad action is done by them, patience, having no jealous, and charity, yajnam, courage, and resolve. All these are great attributes, qualities one Brahmana is supposed to be having. But even after having all these qualities, Aravindanabha Padaravinda Vimukhat. Hey Padmanabha, if the Brahmana, after having all these qualities, if the Brahmana does not have devotion towards your divine feet, they can never please you, they can never get your anugraham. Like that Prahlada is praying Sri Narasimha Swami. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 12th chapter, 13th sloka. Adveshta sarvabhutanam Maitrah karunayevacha Nirmamo nirahankaraha Samadukha sukhakshami. Adveshta sarvabhutanam Maitrah karunayevacha Nirmamo nirahankaraha Samadukha sukhakshami. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.